If you're running an auto glass business and wondering how you can get more customers fast, this video is for you. What I'll share enabled our clients to get these kinds of results. Imagine if you can generate an extra 200 more leads per month. How would that help your business? In this video, I'll cover the strategies that work, the mistakes to avoid, and why these ads work so well for your industry. Without further ado, let's dive in. Think about it. When someone has a cracked windshield, they're not browsing social media. They're searching for an immediate solution. They likely search on Google for a business that can help them solve their problem. Google Ads allows you to appear at the top of the search results when customers are looking for services like windshield replacement near me. Safe Light, a national auto glass company, knows this fact, and you'll always see them advertising on Google. Next, let's talk about strategy. There's a lot of possible combinations of campaigns, bidding strategy, keywords to use, and so on. But what worked for our clients is a laser-focused strategy, and I'll share with you the exact details. For the campaign type, what works best is search campaigns, ad group structure. In the past, single keyword ad groups, or what's known as CAGs, worked best, but over the past few years, it became less effective and the need for a new structure emerged. At the time of recording, the best structure to use is STAG, or single theme ad group. We've also found that it's best to use one campaign for each service that you offer. That enables you to control the budget and the bidding effectively. For the conversion, to get the fastest result, it's best to focus on a single type of conversion, and that is phone calls. Next, calls from the landing page are much better than calls directly from ads. The main difference is the quality of the leads. When people have gone through your landing page and have read about your business and about your offer, they are more informed and more likely to buy your service compared to someone who just saw your ad and called directly. Most of the time, they don't know exactly what you offer. So a lot of them don't end up availing your service. For the bidding strategy, it's best to start with maximized clicks. That enables your campaign to get traffic quickly. Once you have enough conversions, then you can switch to maximize conversions. Many tutorials on YouTube will tell you to pick relevant keywords. Well, that's a good start. It's not enough. To get the best results, you want to choose keywords that are number one, relevant, and number two, with high buying intent, meaning the person's intent for searching is to buy a service. Some examples of bad keywords are how to fix a cracked windshield and DIY windshield crack repair. Examples of good keywords: windshield replacement near me, or emergency windshield replacement. If you look closely, on the first two examples, the intent is to find information so that the searcher himself or herself can do the fixing. For the good examples, the person's intent is to find a business to solve their problem. And those are the searches that you want. For the match type, you can start with exact and phrase match and avoid broad match, at least initially. When it comes to ad copy, you want your ads to speak directly to your customers' pain points. For example, these headlines. Aside from pain points, you also want to mention different parts of your business or your offer. What makes you unique? Maybe you're family owned or woman owned. Maybe you do mobile service for free. Or maybe you help your customers process their insurance claims. You also want to mention the locations you serve. And last but not the least, you want to have 2 to 3 calls to action. For example, get a free estimate or request a quote. For the targeting, you want to limit your ads to the areas you serve. That way, you don't waste any budget showing ads to other locations. You can use Google Ads advanced location settings to target customers within a specific radius. For the schedule, if you only serve on weekdays, you can limit your ads to show only on Monday through Fridays. A common mistake to avoid is boring ad copy. Many people tend to rely on Google's automated headline or description writing, which at the time of recording is still not good enough. The ad copy it creates is usually repetitive and boring, and it wastes the huge opportunity of educating your potential customers about your business. The examples of what I call boring ad copy are these. They're using words like the best, reliable, or professional, which everyone else uses. Because of that, these words become meaningless. What you can do instead is to tell your potential customers about what makes you unique, among other things. Next mistake is ignoring negative keywords. Once your ads are running, you'll see that some of the searches are either bad or irrelevant. Your ad may be triggered by searches for your competitors or searches for DIY fixes and so on. By not adding negative keywords, you'll pay for clicks from people who are not your ideal customers. Lastly, and a lot of people do this, is overlooking ad extensions or ad assets. The more informed a potential customer is about your business, the more likely they are to click your ad and call you. So it's best to utilize ad assets to add additional information. The best assets to use are site links, callouts, structured snippets, and location extensions. Now, setting up a campaign is one thing, but making it work takes ongoing management. This means analyzing data, adding negative keywords, adjusting bids, testing new ad copy, and more. To help you with that, I have linked our own optimization checklist. You can find it on the description. Most business owners or managers don't have that time or the inclination to do this. If that sounds like you, then I can help. For almost a decade now, I've been helping local businesses like you add 5 to 6 figures to their revenue. If you want to do the same for your business, then you can book a free consultation with me. During the consultation, you can ask me any question you have about the process. I'll also walk you through the things you need to ensure success and also the pricing. If you choose to work with us, we can get your phone ringing as early as week 1. If you're interested in that, you can find the consultation link below.